Hi students, and welcome to week 9 in your online general psychology course. Congratulations, you have made it to the halfway mark, and this week we start the second part of our semester. I hope last week went well for you if you had midterm exams in your other classes. As a reminder, our midterm exam will be coming up. It is due Wednesday, October 26th, and it will cover the first 7 chapters. So let's take a look at what we're doing this week. So this week we are covering memory. This chapter is perfectly placed in terms of the sequence of the course because last week we learned all about learning and theories on learning and different ways that information is taken in. And this week we will understand how we take our obtained new information and then hopefully store it into our memories. So this week we will look at our short-term working term memory and long-term memory, some theory on how memories are formed. You'll learn about the parts of the brain that are responsible for memory and also understand that different parts of the brain are actually storing different types of memories. So for instance, your emotional memories are in your amygdala in comparison to other types of memories that are stored in your hippocampus. So really helping you to break down and understand all aspects of memory. And then the second part of the chapter covers the forgetting parts, right? There's a opposite side of memory, which is where we lose our stored information through things like decay theory or attention. Interference of new or old information also affects our memory. So I hope this chapter helps you to understand and appreciate your own memory a little bit better, and maybe even pick up some tips, some mnemonic devices that will help improve your own memory if you need help in that department. So let's take a look at what assignments we have for the week. So in the module, you have, of course, your objectives and the learning outcomes that everything that we're covering this week are tied to. You have the slides for chapter 7, and then you have 3 connect assignments, one on schemas, one that is a news flash that's on the science of partying, and this one will cue in on the forgetting part of the chapter, and then another on your working memory. In addition to those assignments, you have your chapter 7 post-test. There is not a writing assignment this week, and the reason why is because of that midterm exam that you have also due. So all of these assignments are due on October 23rd, which is your typical Sunday. And then that takes us into your next week, but due on Wednesday. It's a different due date there, so please pay attention to that. Due on Wednesday is your midterm exam that covers chapters 1 through 7. So remember, you can always work ahead. So if you wrap up your chapter 7 assignments and you take the quiz, then go ahead when you feel comfortable and go ahead and take the midterm exam. Again, the midterm exam will cover chapters 1 through 7. The best way to prepare, I have a document, and we've talked about it before, but just as a reminder, the best way to prepare for the midterm exam is to go back and review those quizzes that you've taken for chapters 1 through 7. If you want to go back to the PowerPoint, remember you have all that information in your previous modules here. And to review your quizzes, if you click on the McGraw-Hill Connect over here. Yours is going to look a little bit differently. Yours will go into your section. You should then be able to go back from this point right here. Let me go into the student view for you very quickly here so you can see. So if I wanted to look at the chapter 1 quiz, then I could go to this point right here and review. Okay, I hope that is helpful. Have a great week and enjoy learning all about memory. Take care, everyone.